Morning fellas, just a quick one for you for the GPZ600R TV channel. It's the good old how do I get the lock off the top tree. As we know, it's special screws. It's obviously been fitted at one point and then the end has been ripped off. Here's one I removed earlier just to show it to you. There's no, sorry about the lighting, there's no cross or slit for a screwdriver. You can't get a nut on it and it sits too deep in the recess that you can't get a pair of pliers to it. So how do you get it out? You could drill it out, I suppose, but I use this tool here. Excuse me for not knowing what the name of it is. I've been in Germany too long, so I don't know the English name. I don't know, Torx, Star, I don't know, but basically you get the drift, pick size E6, stick it on an extension, and that fits nicely right on the head of the screw. So once you've got it on the head of the screw, give it a whack with a hammer a few times to seat it in, and it digs in there nicely. And then after that, just undo it, and hey presto, look at that, that came off easy, didn't it? And then just throw that screw out there, and you've got this in your hand, off. And that's what the screws look like. There's not much meat to grab, but it's just enough. And if you're lucky, then they're not rusted in too badly, you can get them out. So that's it for today.